Testing, testing, testing. Hi there, guys. My name is Rohan Bive, and today we are going to be talking about how does the brain control balance. So let's say you're balancing on maybe 1 foot, okay? Or maybe you're on tightrope, okay, in some gym or gymnastics gym, whatever, right? But have you ever wondered, how do you balance? Well, your brain controls it. But how does your brain control your balance? Well, there are mainly 4 parts that control your how the brain controls your balance, okay? The first part is the cerebellum, okay? It's located in the back of the brain, okay? And it receives signals from the other parts that control balance, okay? And what it does, it just fine-tunes the movements to keep the balance steady, to keep your balance and posture steady while balancing, okay? The second part that controls the balance, okay, that helps you control the second part that helps your brain control your balance is your inner ear, okay? You see, inside your ear there are a bunch of fluid canals, okay, that detect movement, okay, from the slightest movement, which basically what that does is that the nerves there send the signals from the cerebellum from the ear to the cerebellum, okay? It can detect the speed, the direction you're facing, and rotation, okay, with your inner ear. The third part are your eyes, okay? They give info about the position relative to where you are, and to create a position, okay, to make sure you have a good position and correct posture, and to prevent you from falling, okay? That's what your eyes are for. And then the final part are your proprioceptors, okay? These are basically found these are the nerve endings in your muscles and limbs and joints, okay? And what they do is they send signals to the cerebellum about the movement of your limb, okay? So it basically shows how much you're moving, and these give that. So how does your brain control all of this? How does it fit together? Well, how everything works is that the ear detects the slight tilts, okay? Because the nerves inside the inner ear are super sensitive with the liquid, okay? So it can easily sense and detect the tilts, okay? Now, the cerebellum, okay, compares that info to your eyes, what the info they say about my relative position, and the proprioceptors, okay? And it basically compares all of that. And then it sends all that info to the motor cortex, okay, which controls the signals to the muscles, okay? So it sends the signals to the muscles to adjust to the specific settings that the cerebellum gave, okay? So that's basically how our brain controls our balance, and well, that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video, and hope to see you next time.